The normal sequence for traffic lights is red, red and amber and green. Filter lights give specific direction, be it straight ahead, left or right, and lets the traffic go in that direction. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more information. Let's see the filter lights in action. Can you see the green arrow on the left saying straight ahead? So we know if we're going straight ahead, we can go. Now the arrow changes to right, so that means only those turning right can go. Everyone else needs to stop. And that's what that guy does. The reason for filter lights, it lets two different flows of traffic go at the same time. So straight ahead and straight ahead can go. Then the lights change and it lets those turning right and right go. This way it keeps both separate flows of traffic safe and hopefully stops any accidents. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Let's have a look at how not to do it.